Welcome, fellow explorers, to the edge of reality, a realm where the laws of physics defy comprehension and the universe unfolds in ways beyond our wildest imagination. Today, we embark on a journey through the multiverse, a concept that stretches the limits of human understanding. Dive into the mind-bending world of quantum physics as we unravel the mysteries of the multiverse. Join us on an epic journey through the cosmos as we explore the mind-blowing theories that suggest our universe is just one of countless parallel realities existing side by side. In the realm of quantum physics, reality as we know it takes on a whole new dimension. Prepare to have your mind expanded as we delve into the mind-boggling concept of the multiverse, a theory that challenges everything we thought we knew about the cosmos. At the heart of the multiverse theory lies the concept of parallel universes. Countless other realities existing alongside our own, each with its own laws of physics, dimensions, and possibilities. One of the most intriguing interpretations is the many worlds interpretation, proposed by physicist Hugh Everett III. According to this theory, every quantum event results in the creation of multiple universes, branching out infinitely into an ever-expanding cosmic tapestry. The multiverse concept challenges our traditional understanding of reality and opens up new avenues for exploration. It suggests that our universe is just one of countless others, each with its own unique history and destiny. From the mysteries of quantum entanglement to the cosmic echoes of the Big Bang, the multiverse theory offers tantalizing explanations for some of the most profound questions in physics. Imagine a reality where the laws of gravity are reversed or where time flows backwards. In the multiverse, anything is possible, and the boundaries of possibility are limited only by our imagination. As we peer into the depths of the multiverse, we are reminded of the boundless wonder and complexity of the cosmos. Join us on this journey of discovery as we continue to explore the mysteries of the universe and unlock the secrets of existence itself.